Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have click button subscribe to Pi News World, and also click like, comment and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Oh wow, Pioneer, did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Applying quantum superposition to economics. In quantum physics, superposition refers to the phenomenon where a quantum system can exist in multiple states simultaneously. By applying this principle to economics, we can envision a system where prices, decisions, and transactions are not limited to a set of predetermined outcomes. Instead, they can exist in multiple possibilities at the same time, leading to a more flexible and adaptive market. What does a multidimensional economy look like? In an economic context, a system based on quantum superposition would mean that we no longer need to be constrained by simple binary choices, such as whether a price goes up or down, or if a transaction is completed or failed. Instead, every economic interaction could evolve along multiple pathways simultaneously, depending on the conditions at that moment. Such a system would allow markets to reduce volatility by introducing multiple possible pathways for the market to adapt to changes, thus allowing the system to stabilize quickly in response to external factors. Increase stability by enabling the economy to evolve organically, with real-time adjustments made to balance market forces in a way that fixed, binary systems cannot. Foster organic growth within the market, encouraging more dynamic interactions between economic agents, rather than being restricted by rigid structures and controls. PiNetwork and the freedom of market-determined value. This concept of quantum superposition aligns perfectly with the decision by PiNetwork's founder, Nicholas Kokalis, to let the value of Pi be determined freely by the market, rather than by a fixed price or centralized algorithm. By allowing Pi's value to be shaped by the collective interaction of the pioneers and the market, PiNetwork unlocks a much greater potential for the future of digital economies. In this system, Pi is not just another cryptocurrency, it represents an opportunity to build a more flexible, decentralized, and community-driven financial system. This vision seeks to move away from the rigid, controlled nature of traditional financial systems and towards one that is more organic, more responsive to change, and more open to innovation. It is a true departure from traditional economic models, enabling an economy that can adapt in real time to new circumstances, demands, and technological advancements. The role of PiNetwork in shaping future economies. PiNetwork is not merely a cryptocurrency, it is the foundation for building the next generation of decentralized digital economies, driven by principles that allow for greater flexibility and adaptability. By incorporating the idea of quantum superposition into its core structure, PiNetwork offers a new way to view how economic systems can function. Market flexibility. Pi's market can respond more quickly to global events, economic shifts, or technological breakthroughs without the need for central control or intervention. Sustained innovation. By empowering every pioneer to shape the future of PiNetwork, the system remains open to constant innovation, allowing new ideas to thrive and adapt in real time. Dynamic balance. PiNetwork's decentralized nature provides an organic balance to the economy, adjusting itself to ensure stability while still encouraging growth and innovation. PiNetwork, as a foundational player in the cryptocurrency space, provides a unique opportunity to foster the type of quantum-inspired economy that can lead to more equitable and decentralized financial systems. It represents the foundation of a digital economy that can evolve and adapt with the times, constantly recalibrating in response to market demands and technological advances. The future of quantum economics with PiNetwork. As blockchain technology continues to evolve and cryptocurrencies become increasingly prevalent, the world is realizing the need for more decentralized, agile, and adaptive economic systems. PiNetwork is poised to be the gateway to this future. By integrating the principles of quantum superposition into its economic model, PiNetwork is setting the stage for a new kind of economy, one that is smarter, more responsive, and more revolutionary than anything the world has seen before. This system is not just a financial revolution, it is the beginning of a new way of thinking about economics, where traditional models give way to something far more flexible and open. PiNetwork is about more than just digital currencies. It is about creating a quantum-inspired economy that empowers individuals, embraces technological advancements, and fosters decentralized collaboration at a global scale. Market Evolution PiNetwork's adaptive approach allows the economy to evolve continuously, incorporating new technologies, ideas, and community feedback as it grows. Global opportunity. The flexibility of PiNetwork's decentralized structure makes it an ideal platform for a global economy, where people from all walks of life can contribute and benefit equally. Quantum financial innovation. As more people join the PiNetwork ecosystem, they will be able to participate in a financial system that is inherently more responsive, less volatile, and more in tune with the rapid changes happening in the world. PiNetwork, the quantum economy of tomorrow. In conclusion, PiNetwork is not just a cryptocurrency, it is the first step toward building the economic system of the future. By embracing the principles of quantum superposition, PiNetwork is creating a truly innovative and decentralized financial ecosystem that adapts to the needs of its community and the ever-changing demands of the global market. As the world continues to move toward more decentralized and adaptable economic structures, PiNetwork stands at the forefront of this transition, ready to shape the future of digital economies. The quantum-inspired economy is no longer a distant dream. It is happening now, with PiNetwork leading the way.